Pababa. Pababa kay gamiton ni sa page na mo.
Hello. Hi, Kuya. Hello. Good bye. Thank you.
Ano yung isingin mo, Day? Day, ano yung isilan mo?
Kung narasapan niya pero isingin mo.
Wala ka ng guys, ano mo?
Hindi, butang nagpula ni we.
Kalimut ko niya. Hindi ko siya lang kaya sige kung magkakaroon ng
Dito mag-perform.
Oh, just make it.
Sige, go.
Bye-bye.
Magana, mupaso na.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and smile. Forward to 2, 3, 1. Okay, kanan. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and smile. Sagot na lang po tayo.
Mga bata, gunitan lang, dilipat yun, ha? Ang gilong akong rabbit pa. Alright. Do you want more? Okay, it's time for bubble show. Everybody please backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little bit backward. My name is PJ. It's time for bubble show and when our bubble artists, here we go. Ladies and gents, Kuya Bernard or Kuya Nards. Before we put the bubbles, or bago tayo pumasok sa loob ng napakalaking bubbles, we will be witnessing first a juggling act. Here comes our bubble juggler. Siyempre, okay, sige lang kids, just for your kids muna. Okay, mabalik po sa mga kids, parents. Okay, ito sa kwawat ng mga kids. Okay, ang maiwan ito yung birthday girl natin. Ayan. Okay. Okay, kasi gusto ko sa'yo si Elsa o Pinagilias TV. Sugot mo? Alright, kapili mo na tayo kay Elsa guys. Sumani, high five! Red hot? Music higher? Yun po, sige. Alright, so everybody please take your seats first. Ay, gunita. Magunita kita kay Toro ba niyo ba yan? Panggaon na to nato ang customer. Okay, okay, Elsa, no? Osteoporosis mo siguro sa inyo. Ay, picture mo na. Wait up, sige po. Okay, closer. Okay, you look at the camera, guys. You look at the camera. You look at the camera. Okay, you wear your smile. You look at the camera and you wear your smile. Okay, ate. Alright. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Alright, kiddos, 2 signs. Second birthday. 2 signs. Okay, let's point. Okay, Rina. Itudlo si Rina. Point, Rina. Point, Rina. Point. Everybody point, Rina. Okay, balik tayo sa camera and let us all. Let's do the walking pose. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hey! Alright, take your seats for this time. Okay, Elsa is not just a cute, lovely mascot, but of course, ladies and gents, ipapakita din po. Patya! Patya, operator. Pagkilapay sa Bluetooth. Balik pa China. Do you want more? We made 1, 3, 5, and 10. Sino gusto ng 20? Taas ang kamay. 20 sa 20. Sige. Alright, sino gusto ng 20? We will make 20 pero kato iya. Alright? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. What? Okay, go! Okay, 20. Taasan natin ang konti. Ano gusto nyo? Ha? Ito, imo. Ito, paglalim ha. Mamo, nandun na mamo? Ay, Doc, 100, Doc. Okay, ikaw na lyric. Okay na, 100. Bumati lang ang bayad, Doc. Okay, do you want to see Bubbles your show? Okay, it's time for Bubbles.